Find the differentiative of the function sin x square plus 5 with respect to x. Solution: given function, let y is equal to sin x square plus 5. Differentiate function differentiate the function with respect to x. So that dy by dx is equal to d sin x square plus 5 by dx. Apply chain rule. Differentiate this function. Apply chain rule. Now, by the chain rule, dy by dx can be written as dy by du into du by dx. Using this rule to apply in this equation, so that dy by dx is equal to d sin x square plus 5 can d x square plus 5 into d x square plus 5 by dx by the chain rule. Also, we know that d sin x by dx is equal to cos x. So this is equal to cos x square plus 5. Also, dx square plus 5 by dx equal to cos x square plus 5 into 2 into 2x plus 0. Since dx power n tends to dx is equal to n into x power n minus 1. So that 2x into cos x square plus 5 answer.